coming back for us. How many videos ago was that? God, that's when we did this.
YouTube got sick of your fucking Z.
The last time we did this. Hold up.
No! We don't condone that. What you got? What are you doing today?
Stuff.
What stuff?
Stuff.
What stuff?
Stuff.
He's got that foot long in your face.
Yo.
So what are you doing today?
Stuff.
Socks?
Yeah. New shoes.
New socks. Nice.
Still got Yeezys.
Man buying mirrors, but this thing's still on.
I think my mirrors are
More important. So we're gonna eat, and we're gonna hope that you get at least one on while we're eating, and then we'll come back and see how your process is doing. We'll be back.
10 years.
Actually, before I start eating and we cut this, just so you guys know, this kid's mirrors are fucking horrendous.
Yes, let's show them.
I sat in his car to fucking move it once, and I couldn't park it. Oh my god! I did that in one of the videos, the exhaust video,
Yeah, you
when I was fucking with it, and I was like, oh shit. You know why I pulled you over? Damn, son, that's sketch. Did you know your mirrors did that? Is that even put together? Garbage.
They should probably
Sit in there and show them how bad your mirrors are, that you can't see.
Good luck parallel parking. Good fucking luck. Good luck seeing behind you.
What's good, little nigga?
Take this shit.
Hi, how are you? Normal day we're having. Stop. Get some help. I gotta eat my foot long.
time lapse. No, you gotta time lapse it.
You want me to time lapse you working on your car? Do you guys want to see that? Too fucking bad you're seeing it now. Let's go.
Free V-Bucks.
If you guys hit that like button, we'll get Adrian to send you all some
We
free
get 300 likes. We're giving away 200 V-Bucks.
And some free
Tell
mirrors.
your friends.
and some free mirrors. You guys can get
You
shitty
hear
Z
that
mirrors.
dog? He wants it. He's excited. Smash that like button. Press that bell icon. We're giving away 350 V-Bucks. I gotta tell the people, because this is gonna be a dual video, retarded shit and how to do it. So, if you ever want to do this yourself,
Don't, but
take this, lift it up. You're gonna have to take this piece off.
Adrian now grew 3 arms.
Oh shit. Supposed to pop this little bitch out. And there should be a screw in there. Yes, I have that screw. You take it out and then you pop the whole thing off. You're supposed to take this little piece off first by doing this, popping this bitch out. And there's another screw.
I love this family-friendly
And then there's
tutorial.
there's a screw in there. Screw that one, take this off, unplug it, and then just pop the whole
If anyone
thing
has
off.
a grandma or an older family member that has a 350Z and they ever have any problems, please send them this video of a tutorial on how to take their door apart. Be like, you pop this little bitch off.
But that's what you do.
Alright, I'm gonna do your time lapse.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I should just find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let it go. I guess came back to know what you know.
Look at that shit.
Look at that shit, boy. How's it going? How's it going?
Hold on. Before I put this back,
This man just lost a bolt, a nut.
This is mine. This shit looks
A
fucking
nut.
new.
My man lost a nut.
But
Damn, you know,
nah, it's too big.
Nice.
It's not mine.
It's gonna be in someone's tire.
Because the last schmuck put those shitty ass mirrors on.
So the last owner,
Yes.
yeah, who
Or at
watches
least-
our stuff.
At least the owner who did all this stuff. You're an idiot.
that's my truth.
If that's the guy who did all of this stuff to this car, I don't care if you're just stupid as fuck. Build a car right next time, dipshit. Anyways, come here, look at this.
What?
Come here. So, OEM, bolt comes in, you hold it down with a nut. The last mirrors, it was the opposite. It was that going that way.
Okay.
So, I don't have the fucking nuts. So I'm gonna have to use these plastic things, which is kind of sketch.
It's on.
It's on, but if you apply any sort of like pressure to it, it's gonna
Why
come
you
off.
want to apply pressure?
So why don't you look in my garage for a nut? I can't guarantee anything for you, but
These three look promising.
it's better than you holding it with a rubber grommet. I like how he knows. What are you, gay?
If this works, I'm gonna slap baby.
What? Winner or not?
You fucking skeeter.
I don't even know how to feel about that.
What the fuck is this?
You need some Bondo, my friend.
This is not the right thing.
You're not a right thread.
It's better than what he had.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still not good that it's not the right thread, but for time being until he buys the right shit.
The OEM shit.
You don't have to buy OEM.
What?
You don't have to buy OEM.
I am gonna buy OEM.
But
Go
why?
to
You're buying 2 nuts
Advanced.
that are OEM?
3.
Go to a fucking hardware
Bro,
store.
go to fucking Ace Hardware or something, bro.
10
How
cents.
the fuck am I supposed to find the right thread?
You take the mirror and tell them you need a bolt. Not a bolt, sorry. You need a nut.
A nut.
A nut.
You need a
You
nut.
need a nut.
Jenny, I need a nut. Alright, so we were just at Home Depot, but now we're gonna run back so we can do this the right way the first time, because we can't just talk it and not do it. We have to actually show you guys that we want to do things right the first time. So we're gonna go to Home Depot, we're gonna get him the right nut, and then I gotta buy Bondo because I have a 240, and I think we all know how that goes. And this man needs some, her, before this car eventually gets painted. Come back, mirror's gone. We gotta pop this off real quick. Yo, what the heck? This man just blew a fucking red light and then went down the wrong way. What a stupid fuck. What a stupid. Why are you honking at him? Because he's going down the wrong fucking way on a highway. Was it threatening to any of them? Someone's gonna turn the corner and be like, yo, what the? It's been a while since that dance. That's a lot of damage. So Jeremy was talking shit about this little light.
Shit ain't
Oh,
fucking right.
huh?
Shit's not bright.
Okay, turn it on.
Bro, that shit is fucking bright.
You talking mad crap. You're like, oh, this little bullshit light? Dude, this thing's a spotlight. What are you talking about? Look at that.
Yeah, what are you fucking highlighting? A shitty ass car?
Yeah, all my imperfections.
Oh.
What's your opinions on this little light in my hand?
That shit is perfect. Bright as fuck.
Your boy didn't believe me, and then we did a little test.
This doesn't want to come.
Dude, there's nothing behind you now. It's just you with a car, and there's no background. You are now in space.
Wait, dude, JDM hours are a real fucking thing, and it's very scary.
JDM hours.
Oh, this is supposed to be half an hour.
You thought I was kidding? JDM. Okay, ready? This is what I was taught by Justin, the guy with the orange Mustang.
you gotta insert clip here.
I don't even have, this is before I started vlogging. JDM hours. You take literally any job, right? Let's name a bullshit job that take about an hour. What would take about an hour on your car?
I don't know, oil change.
All right, let's just say a bullshit oil change, right? On the 240, take an hour. No, you know what happened to my oil change? Turned it into 2.5 hours because we bought the wrong filter because we thought it was for an 05 GTO, but it wasn't. It was some aftermarket bullshit. We had to cross-reference it, had to make sure it was the right one, had to go to a 24-hour AutoZone and make Shan come out of bed. And CJ was like, Shan, you gotta drive Anton the 24-hour AutoZone.
Are you good back there?
Nah, I don't know where
JDM hours. Take your any hour job or 2 hour or 3 hour and times it by 2.5. That's how long your job's gonna take.
Are you looking for the normal or the...
Would you buy these?
Rock Auto.
Car ID.
Rock Auto.
Again?
Again?
Dude, come on. We
Dad.
talked about
Number
this.
Dad.
15. Burger King foot lettuce.
Dad.
Is this January? No. Cut that shit out. Alright, so Adrian finally finished the other side. Oh, man. So, Adrian said he could get this side done in 2 minutes.
I didn't say 2 minutes.
You
I
said
2 seconds. That was an exaggeration.
Did he say 2 minutes?
I
Yeah.
said 2 seconds.
2 minutes.
2 seconds.
He heard it.
2 seconds isn't fucking happening.
Alright, it is officially
Been a minute.
9:59. So, if you guys can comment down below and tell me when you think this kid will be done with his passenger side mirror. If you get it right, I'll pin you and then you'll get 200 free V-Bucks, boys. You'll get 200 V-Bucks.
But only if you like the video. And hit
If you
that
can get
bell
us to
icon.
300 likes, we'll see. You cliche fucking YouTubers. Comment down below. Okay. Alright, so I got a little bit of a fight going on in the chat, but it's 10:19. If you got that right, you officially like men, just like Adrian. We joking, we don't care. But, on that
Past
note,
2 minutes.
how do you feel about your mirrors? You think they'll actually work? You'll actually be able
They
to
do
park
work.
now?
They do work.
They
I
work?
forgot.
They reflect images?
So now you need to be a faggot and put a little sticker.
What's
on
next on your car that people want to know? Oh, they're motorized. Damn, son.
Are they heated
Yo, that
too?
face is something else.
Are they heated too?
No, I'm not gay.
Do you have the sticker on that says
Damn.
You paste, alright?
You paid.
all I heard was
and maybe Adrian will get waterboarded. If you guys want to see Adrian get waterboarded, please hit that like button. Alright, we're out. Bye.
Maybe we'll throw out some more video game content so you guys can join us and play.
Dude, you play PlayStation. Get out of here.
Yeah, shut the fuck up.
Get